Good morning, my people. This is Freddy. Welcome to the channel. It's planting season again. We have been having so much rain here in Kenya, especially here in the highland of Nyeri County, and it's time to plant again. I told you guys, farming is a cycle from one cycle to another. So I'm not entirely digging the land. As you can see. You can see some weeds, you can see some leftovers from the previous cuttings. And what I want to do is to practice what we call minimal tillage, yeah, so that we can keep the soil formation intact, yeah. So what I'm doing this time around, I'm going to plant my maize, and I'll be going to be using holes, yeah, unlike I was using rows last time. This time I'm going to use holes, and I'll be planting. This time I've been looking for corn maize for a while now, but there is shortage here in Kenya. I don't know why. I've been looking for it, but I have not found any. So I'm going to plant the regular maize, white maize. Although the sugar levels of white maize is not the same as for corn, I'm going to plant it because I don't want to be late when it comes to planting. Yeah. So take this advantage, guys, of the rain that we are having, and plant. Don't worry about the sun. Don't worry about anything. Just do what you can at the right time. Nature will take its course. So this time is for planting now. Yeah. And if you have been following my videos for a while now, you see we are growing. Day in, day out, we are growing. We may go slow, but with time, uh, we are doing something. Yeah, we are doing something. So take the advantages of the rain that you have. If it is raining in your area, just start planting. And you have already cut your maize. Yeah, like this one I did maize silage. This one still I'm going to be doing maize silage, so that I can ensure that I have fodder throughout the year. For the whole year I have fodder. So take advantages of the weather, because currently we have so much climate change. Yeah, now it is raining, tomorrow will be sunny. We don't know about weather. So take advantage, do what you can. Do not give up on dairy farming or any other types of farming. Just keep on doing your best, and one day, one time, you reap what you have been sowing. So it's time you take advantage of the rain. Yeah. So for those who are planting maize for silage, you don't have to put a bigger space between the seeds or between the two plants. Yeah, you can use these. You can use such a layout. Yeah, and you plant. And the best thing about these, the best thing I told you about when you are planting, make sure that the soil is well fed. Yeah, make sure that the soil is well fed. Like now I have manure there. I have a lot of manure there. Let me take you to, so that you can see. So this is manure, and for the leftovers, but this is manure that I've been keeping here for the last 6 months. Yeah, and it is well decomposed. As you can see here, is well decomposed. Yeah, you see this one. So this is best for planting. Yeah, I'm not going to use any fertilizer this time. I'm going just to use manure, so that I can minimize the cost of planting, and so for the silage still. Yeah, you have to be economical. You have to be you have to do your maths well. Yeah, so I'm not going to buy any fertilizer. Last time I took for the subsidy from the government. Yeah, and I did on a rad that I have reached. Yeah, but for my farm here, I'm going to use manure, purely manure, cow manure. That is good. Yeah, so I'm going to plant all these area. You see, I've already cut, but I'm not going to dig. Yeah, so that we can practice what we call minimal tillage. So all these area I'm going to plant today, and I hope you too take action. You start doing what is best for your cows, for your livestock, and everything will be good. So let me do this. And if you are around Nyeri or wherever you are, it is raining, start planting. This is the planting season in Kenya, and the earlier you are, the better. So keep hustling, don't give up, keep on fighting, and one day you will reach where you always want. So thank you for watching this. See you in the next video.